So it's often commonly mentioned that meditation is all just about being in the present moment and to stop your thoughts and to still your mind. Whereas in this scenario as well, we can start to redirect the mind to focus on positive outcomes we've had, successful days, successfully achieved goals in our life. This helps us to remember what we've achieved. And this is related to dharana, or focused concentration meditation techniques, where we can direct the mind on a yantra, a mantra, an affirmation, but it can also be, we can also redirect the mind to positive outcomes, to remember or to visualize positive outcomes of ourselves having a successful day, like we've had many
times. So
that is
before. As a manifestation sort of a technique? Would we put it into that? Or?
Well, that's part of manifesting. It's a good question too, because when we consciously thinking of positive outcomes and scenarios, then we vibrate at a frequency that draws those scenarios into our life. So there's a relationship there as well. And that is I think that is one of the key components of meditation on that topic, sankalpas. So a sankalpa is derived from the Vedas, which is the earliest wisdom text, scribed, they say between about 2500 BC, but scholars are now finding it's probably a lot longer. And that's when it was written down, but verbally, probably 5,000 or 10,000 years. So in this first ancient wisdom text that's scribed, they have a sankalpa. So a sankalpa is to repeat a positive statement, a vow, to achieve your goal, no matter what challenges arises. So it's kind of like an affirmation, but it's repeated for your life mission, or it can be repeated like an affirmation for any goal in your life. So that's a classic example of one of the many techniques that is scribed in the text that is very different to, I think, what is commonly taught today.